Not all car brands handle winter the same way. In the United States, some brands struggle every year when temperatures drop. Here are the car brands that perform the worst in winter, starting from number 8 and ending with the worst one. Top 8. Nissan vehicles are not the worst in winter, but they are not great either. In cold weather, many Nissan models suffer from weak batteries and sensitive electronics. CVT transmissions can feel sluggish when temperatures are low. Cold starts often feel slower and less responsive. Winter does not break these cars, but it clearly exposes their limits. Top 7. Chevrolet. Many Chevrolet vehicles experience electrical issues in winter. Battery drain, sensor failures, and warning lights are common complaints in cold US states. Cold temperatures make small electrical problems turn into no-start situations. The cars usually run fine in warm weather, but winter shows their weaknesses. Top 6. Ford. Ford trucks handle winter better than their cars, but problems still appear. Cold starts can be rough, especially on turbocharged engines. Starter motors and battery management systems often struggle in extreme cold. The vehicles usually start, but winter makes them feel less reliable. Top 5. Volkswagen. Volkswagen vehicles rely heavily on electronics. In winter, cold temperatures can trigger warning lights, limp mode, and starting issues. Battery voltage drops affect multiple systems at once. When it gets very cold, these cars become unpredictable. Top 4. Jeep. Despite their off-road image, many Jeep models struggle in winter. Electrical systems, weak batteries, and drivetrain vibrations become common issues. Once moving, Jeeps handle snow well. The real problem often happens against skins before the car even starts. This does not mean these brands are bad cars. It means winter exposes design weaknesses faster than any other season. Top 3. Hyundai and Kia. In cold US regions, owners report frequent battery failures and sensor issues. Small batteries and lightweight electrical systems struggle in freezing temperatures. These cars are efficient and affordable, but winter demands more power and durability. Top 2. Tesla. Electric vehicles perform poorly in winter, and Tesla is no exception. Cold weather reduces driving range, slows charging, and affects door handles and screens. In extreme cold, some drivers have been stranded due to rapid battery loss. Winter severely limits electric vehicle performance. Top 1. Fiat Chrysler. These vehicles frequently suffer from electrical failures, weak starters, and poor cold weather calibration. In winter, minor issues become major breakdowns. No-start conditions, warning lights, and reliability problems are common in cold US states. Winter exposes every weakness at once. Winter does not create problems. It reveals them. Strong batteries, simple electronics, and reliable drivetrains survive winter best. If you live in a cold state, winter performance should matter when choosing a car. Subscribe for more honest and simple car advice.